Okay, can you say and spell your name, please?
Ralph, R-A-L-P-H.
And your last name?
Arreola, A-R-R-E-O-L-A.
All right, and can you tell us where we're standing? And
We're standing here in Montbello, suburb of Denver, Colorado. And we just got hit, or we're finishing up this blizzard storm that was forecasted at first. It wasn't Saturday, as I believe they forecasted a couple of inches, and it was barely getting flurries. Sunday, it really came down overnight. It just kept pounding, just snowstorm after snowstorm, and it just accumulated to I would say 18, 20 inches. I tried using my snow thrower, but max is 20 inches, and it just dies out. It conks out when you hit the beginning. Other than that, I mean, the sun's out. Everything's kind of melting off the roof into the drainage. So we're just waiting for the evaporation to start. But other than that, it's a lovely day.
did you enjoy the snow, or is it a big pain?
No, I like it. I'm born and raised in California, so I don't see anything like this. Once we relocated, I look forward to, it's weird to say, but I look forward to kind of shoveling my driveway and the sidewalks. It's just a different type of environment that you're not that used to, and it's new to me, so I like it. I don't know.
I'm sure you have some neighbors that would let you help out.
Yeah, if they asked. I mean, but everybody does their own, so it's a nice collaboration amongst everybody. But yeah, it's nice.
Well, good. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you. Have a good one.